Finding hydrocarbon and VOC leaks and fixing them fast is vital to your company's bottom line. So is safety. That's why FLIR just made its trusted optical gas imaging technology better with the groundbreaking new GFx320. This proven innovative technology visualizes more than 400 different gas compounds, including methane, propane, and many other hydrocarbons and VOCs, detecting flow rates as small as 0.4 grams per hour. Designed to be sensitive enough to meet the latest US EPA Quad OA standards, the GFx320 pinpoints leaks immediately, so you can find leaks up to 9 times faster than with traditional gas sniffers. Plus, the digital camera and automatic GPS tagging ensure you'll meet regulatory reporting requirements without the need for extra equipment. FLIR's GFx320 has HAZLOC, ATEX, and European conformity certification for use in hazardous locations across the globe. Its designation as intrinsically safe means you can use the GFx320 safely in production, transmission, and gas processing environments. You can get to work quickly and confidently without the need for hot work permits in certain areas, depending on company protocols. Like all of FLIR's methane sighting cameras, the new GFx320 offers superior gas visualization because it's calibrated to measure temperature. This means you can assess thermal contrast during leak inspections and ensure you have optimal temperature difference between the gas compound and the background scene. Increase leak detectability 5-fold with FLIR's unique high sensitivity mode, which accentuates plume movement using proprietary video processing techniques. And with ergonomic features such as the tiltable eyepiece, articulating LCD screen, and rotating hand grip, you can survey comfortably all day long. Powerful, sensitive, intrinsically safe. The new FLIR GFx320 optical gas imaging camera. The gas detection solution the oil and gas market has been waiting for.